Hey, Rashad the Great here. I'm back again, trying to tell you the 3 issues that men have with women. And if you didn't check out the video before that I just did about the issues that women have with men, you can go ahead and check that out right now, because I'm trying to keep both sides even so we can all grow and mature, because that's the solution. Relationships don't grow if men don't grow. Relationships don't grow and improve if women don't grow and improve. It takes both, baby. It takes two to make a thing go right. It takes two. It takes two. Hey, it takes two to make it outside. It takes two. Hey, it takes two. Okay. But anyways, so these are just the quick top 3, maybe not in any kind of order, or maybe, what it is. Or it's some issues I have with women as well, where I'm trying to date. And I'm a successful man trying to date out there. And I'm like, God, is this all you have for me? And these are some tips from a successful man for a woman that wants a successful man, or from successful woman that want a successful man. Anybody that's single, these are some issues that I'm sure pretty much every man has with most women. Just quick list. Body is not on point. I just never seen, I know people have BBLs, and that's arising, but it's like, man, it's hard to find a woman that goes to the gym. Yeah, I said it. It's hard to find a woman that's in shape these days. And I love natural women. Don't get me wrong. I love women with meat on their bones, and everybody has their preference and their type. But it's like crazy, especially in the black community, how we're suffering from obesity, heart disease, diabetes, hypertension. Like, we got parks, we got gyms, we got bicycling, we can walk. Like, it's so many things on our disposal. We can play a pickup game of football with the fellas, or we can play, something active in yoga. And I know girls love to do Zumba and yoga and fitness classes. I get so many things to our disposal that we have, and we still out of weight. We still obese. There's no excuses for that. And no, I'm not body shaming, because again, I did a video addressing the issues women have with men. Now this is your turn. This is issues that we have with y'all, or some of the issues. Also, some of us think that you just want us for free lunch. You just want us for a free dinner. We just a meal ticket. We just your next step to dating the guy that you really want to date. We being used. Some women won't even take a man out on a date. We could pay for 10 dates. They won't even take us on one. That's lame. Men like to be pursued too. We like to know that we're loved. We want to know that we're appreciated. It's a human aspect. Everybody want to know that they're being appreciated. Everybody want to know that they're being loved. It's a human aspect. It's not rocket scientist. Most people want to feel like they're being loved. It's a basic human trait. It's Maslow's hierarchy of needs. We all need to feel loved and appreciated, and not just for a paycheck. I'm sure girls just don't want to be thought of as wow and a sex object. So why do we want to be looked at as a paycheck, as a bank? We are not a bank. Men have feelings too. Men have character. Men want a woman that likes them for them. At least me. I speak on me. I want a woman that likes me for me, not for my check, not for my success, not for my wealth, not for my status. And it's okay. You need that to survive. Man, woman, we need money to survive. That's how we eat. That's how we take care of our family. That's how we take care of our friends. That's how we take care of ourselves. But we don't want to be looked at as a child. We want to be treated as a human being, just like you want to be treated with love, respect, and as a human being. Third, I believe, this is a big one. Number 2 should have been number 1 to me. This is a big one. Inconsistency. I never in my life seen a generation that will give up so quick on a good man. You had a baby with Ray that cheated on you, lied on you, abused you, and mistreated you, and wasted the best years of your life, your youngest years, your 20s, wasted on a dude that was an F-boy. You forgave him. You gave him second chances. But when it comes to a good man, you so quick to get rid of him for the smallest mistakes. He can apologize. He can try to learn from the mistake, and you won't even give him a second chance. You won't even give him a second look. It's the inconsistency for me, sis. It's the inconsistency for me. Like, how do you expect to get a husband if you giving up so quickly? You didn't even give a man a month to learn from his mistakes. You ain't even gave him 2 months. Okay, as soon as a man make one mistake, you don't talk about it. You don't work things out about it. Like, you're never going to find a good man being inconsistent. I could say that to the fellas too. You ain't going to be able to find a good woman being inconsistent. Like, this generation gives up on anything and everything. I just never seen a generation like that in my life, and it bugs me. That's some immature stuff. Babies don't give up on walking. They crawl as long as it takes them. They figure it out. If they gotta walk 2 steps and fumble, and then tomorrow they walk 3 steps and fumble, they figure it out. Babies learn to walk. You ain't gotta teach a baby to walk. When have you ever needed to teach a baby how to walk? You might potty train them. You might teach them to say yes ma'am or no ma'am. You won't teach a baby how to walk. Leave a baby alone. Every baby figured out who taught you how to walk. You know his name? Everybody learn how to walk. You don't need to teach a baby how to breathe. You don't need to teach a baby how to eat. It swallows by itself. You don't have to teach a baby how to swallow. So we need somebody to be consistent. We need more consistent men and women. Be consistent. If he calls you, call him. If she calls you, call her. Same energy. Same energy. You're not where you want to be in your life because you always giving up when it's hard. You always giving up whether it's a slight chance of rain. You always giving up. It ain't even raining yet, you giving up. You ain't even seen the worst days, you still giving up. You giving up. It's sunshine outside, you giving up. Stop giving up all the time on good men and good women. And you know what a good man is? A protector, a provider, and a priest of his house. Proverbs 31 is a good woman. Stop giving up on these good women. Stop mistreating these good women and these good men. There is not, every man and woman is not a good man and good woman. So when God blesses you with having one in your life, you need to hold on to it, bear hug it, death grip it. Not even the jaws of life could take it out. I'm just saying, if you want to have a better relationship, keep these 3 things in mind. Have your mind, your body, and your soul together. And that goes both ways. Rashad the Great, have a great day. I'm out.